You look like someone who's already good at data science with Python, but are you looking to do more with machine learning workflows? Maybe you've built a model or two, but you still feel a bit unsure about best practices and scalable pipelines. Well, here's a course you might like. Advanced Data Science with Python is going to help you go beyond the basics of data science. It's going to teach you how to build reliable and reproducible machine learning solutions. This course isn't just another overview, it's an immersive, hands-on 2-day program where you'll work with Python code, best practices, and frameworks to make your projects deliver. You're gonna learn what works in real projects, and you're gonna get insights from experienced practitioners, rather than just slides about theory. So, what's waiting for you in these 2 days? Day 1 starts with scikit-learn essentials. We'll review some core concepts before building machine learning workflows with pipelines. We'll explore feature engineering and selection techniques. What for? To handle imbalanced data sets and make your models perform better in the real world. Day 2 digs deeper. You'll build custom estimators and transformers. Not only that, you'll integrate them into pipelines and fine-tune your models with confidence. And throughout the journey, you'll be writing production quality code in Python and have guidance from expert trainers. Learn today, apply tomorrow. By the end of this training, you'll be building reproducible, real-world machine learning pipelines. So, feeling ready to make better models? I think you are. You know where to click.